have an array of ingredients here, and we are going to make a very quick and easy garlic sauce. To my mixing cup, I'm adding white vinegar, lime juice, 10 cloves of garlic, one sprig of green onion, one Chadon Beni leaf, sugar, and I'm adding a cup and a half of mayonnaise. In goes my stick blender. To this I am adding 2/3 teaspoon of salt. And this is done. Pour this in a squeezed bottle, and then you can use this as your condiments for your fried chicken, your burgers, shrimp, and whatever you want to serve it with.